Hello everyone, good morning to all. I hope you all are well and doing great. In this video, we are going to discuss the most important MCQs of 23 August 2022. Without wasting time, let's start the session. The first question is, which has recently become the second largest domestic airline of India? And the answer is option number B, Vistara. If Vistara becomes the second one, then which one is the first? That is Indigo. Indigo became the first domestic airline in India. Vistara. It is good to hear that Vistara increases 1% of its interest in only just 1 month. That is from 9.4% in June to 10.4%. And now Tata owns its 51% share market. Now move to the next question. Which state government has recently launched Amma Yojana and Vatsalya Yojana for the welfare of women and their children? And the answer is option number B, that is Sikkim. While all India celebrating the Independence Day, Sikkim CM PS Tomang declared the scheme for the welfare of the women and their children. This occasion was held in the capital of Sikkim, that is Gangtok, and here the first time Sikkim merged with the Indian Union, and this all was held in the Plaza Stadium. Now move to the next question. In which city 17th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas will be organized in January 2023? And the answer is option number C, that is Indore. The 17th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas 2023 will be held at Indore in January next year. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas was celebrated for memorizing the return of Mahatma Gandhi from South Africa to India on 19 January 1915. Indore. Indore is a city in Madhya Pradesh, and the recent news about Indore is Indore backs the world record for largest human chain to create Indian map, and after the gap of 2-year pandemic COVID, Indore goes to celebrate the Grand Ranga Panchami, and 5 lakh of people is take part among this. Now move to the next question. What is the name of the autobiography of former Israel PM Benjamin Netanyahu? And the answer is option number A, that is Bibi My Story. Former Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has a memory coming out for this autobiography of Bibi My Story. Benjamin Netanyahu. Benjamin Netanyahu was the longest serving leader of Israel before the election of 2021. Israel is a Middle Eastern country on the Mediterranean Sea. Capital of Israel is Jerusalem, and the present Prime Minister is Yair Lapid, and the President is Isaac Herzog. Move to the next question. Which country says India and China should maintain smooth communication over border issues? And the answer is option number D, that is China. After blaming of External Affairs Minister of India S. Jaishankar that the ongoing Sino and Indian border tension is due to the China, the Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Webin responded to Jaishankar's question and said that it should be developed the opportunity for India and cooperative partners with India and China. Now, the international boundary of India and China is McMahon Line. China. The capital of China is Beijing, and the present president is Jinping 11. Now move to the next question. NHPC to invest this 18,000 crore to develop hydropower project in which country? And the answer is option number B, that is Nepal. NHPC, National Hydroelectric Power Corporate PVT Ltd. NHPC is planning to invest 18,000 crore in Nepal to develop hydropower project on 6th Nepalian rivers and named as OSSC. It is seemed that the 5 years of invest in Nepal is result. Now Nepal. The capital of Nepal is Kathmandu and the currency is Nepalese rupee, and 1 Indian rupee is equal to 1.6 Nepalian rupees. Now move to the next question. Which country recently started the anti-polio vaccination camp? And the answer is option number C, that is Pakistan. Polio vaccine campaign resumed in Afghanistan and Pakistan after COVID-19 disruption. Now move to the next question. Recently, from which country India launched 6 Tu-160 long-range bombers? And the answer is option number A, that is Russia. India to buy 6 Tu-160 long-range bombers from Russia. Tu-160 bombers has the maximum speed capacity, that is 2,220 km per hour, and the highest weight carrying capacity is 110,000 kg and has 56 meters of wingspan. And now Russia became the India's largest diammonium phosphate fertilizer supplier in 2022. The capital of Russia is Moscow and the currency is Russian ruble, and 1 Russian ruble is equal to 1.34 Indian rupees. And as we all know, the present president of Russia is Vladimir Putin. Now move to the next question, that is last question of the session. Which state has become India's first Har Ghar Jal certified state in the country in August 2022? And the answer is option number D, that is Goa. Goa became the first certified Har Ghar Jal Yojana in India. And if Goa became the first state, Daman and Diu and Dadra Nagar Haveli is become the first union territory, and a district of Himachal Pradesh, that is Chamba, become the first district. And Narendra Modi promised in 3 years India get the most water supply to each and every home. Goa. The capital of Goa is Panaji and the chief minister of Goa is Pramod Samant and governor is Sri P.S. Sridharan. And here we end the session. Thanks for watching.